Welcome to Find Home Remedies. Warts. They're like the uninvited guests of your skin. You don't want them there, and yet they just show up unannounced. But fear not, my friends, because I'm about to reveal a home remedy that can help you get rid of warts fast. Apple cider vinegar is like the secret weapon in your kitchen that you never knew you had. It contains acetic acid, which has antimicrobial properties that can help kill the virus causing the wart and remove the wart itself. Now, you might be wondering how to use apple cider vinegar to get rid of warts fast. Well, the answer is simple. The wart-killing Band-Aid. First, take a small Band-Aid, or cut one in half to make it smaller. Take a cotton pad, cut a small piece of it off and place it in the middle of the Band-Aid. Using a dropper, wet the cotton pad with apple cider vinegar until it's nice and soaked. Place the Band-Aid on the wart before bed, and leave it on overnight. In the next few days, you should start to see the wart going a dark color or creating a scab. That's when you know it's working. It's important to stick to your nightly wart treatment routine and don't skip any days. The scab should fall off after a few days, so be patient. You may need to repeat the wart treatment until you can see the bump of the wart is totally gone. The whole process could take about 2 weeks, depending on the size of the wart. And just like that, you've successfully kicked that irritating wart out of your life forever. So the next time a wart decides to crash your skin party, just remember to grab some apple cider vinegar and your trusted wart-killing Band-Aid. With this home remedy, you'll be wart-free in no time. Thanks for watching.